Hi, my name is Adrian. I'd like to thank Tinetton for sending me this 3-in-1 Apple charging station. Here's the instruction manuals with pictures for easy assembly. Let's take a look at what you get inside the box. You get the charging base, 2 separate attachments for Apple Watch and iPhone. The iPhone dock can also be adjusted for those that's using a thick case or a thin case. This dock can be found on Amazon for $39.99, but it's currently for sale for $29.74. Price may vary. Subscribe. Check the description for links, and thanks for watching. This is Adrian Antonio, and I'm out.